Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower molds effectively. Flower molds are fantastic tools for crafting and baking, allowing you to create intricate floral designs with ease. Whether you are making chocolates, soaps, or resin art, understanding the proper technique ensures perfect results every time. We will cover everything from preparing your mold to demolding your finished piece, helping you achieve professional-looking creations. Get ready to add a touch of floral elegance to your projects. Before you begin, proper mold preparation is crucial for a flawless outcome. First, always wash your flower mold with warm, soapy water to remove any dust or residue. Then, ensure it is completely dry. Moisture can affect your final product. For some materials, like fondant or clay, a light dusting of cornstarch or a thin layer of release spray will prevent sticking, making demolding much simpler later on. This small step saves a lot of frustration. Now it's time to fill your flower mold. Carefully pour your liquid material, like resin or melted chocolate, or press in your solid material, such as clay or fondant, ensuring it fills all the intricate details. Gently tap the mold on your work surface a few times to encourage any trapped air bubbles to rise and escape. This step is vital for a smooth finish. Finally, allow your creation to set or cure fully according to your material's specific instructions. Once your material is completely set, it's time for the exciting part, demolding. Carefully and gently flex the sides of your flower mold away from the material. For silicone molds, you can often push from the bottom. Avoid pulling or forcing, as this can damage your delicate creation. After demolding, you might have a small amount of excess material or flash around the edges. Carefully trim this away with a craft knife or scissors for a perfectly polished finish. Enjoy your beautiful floral creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.